Hello everyone. Today we'll be studying about cephalo-caudal gradient of growth. So let's begin. Cephalo-caudal gradient of the growth simply means that there is an axis of increased growth extending from head towards the feet. There is increase in the growth extending from head towards feet. Then a comparison of the body proportion between prenatal and postnatal life reveals that postnatal growth of the regions of the body that are away from hypophysis is more. It reveals that the parts which are away from hypophysis will grow more postnatally. Those are simply we can say limbs, legs. Okay, next. The growth concept can be illustrated as follows. They are A, B, and C. We'll learn it individually. So A, head takes up about 50% of the total body length around third month of intrauterine life. As we can see here in the third month of the intrauterine life, the head takes about 50% of the total body weight. Similarly, total body length, sorry. At the time of the birth, the trunk and the limbs have grown more than the head. At the time of the birth, the limbs and trunk has grown more than the head, more than the head, thereby reducing the head about 30% of the total length. The overall pattern of the growth continues with the progressive reduction in relative size of the head to about 12% in adult. That is, the head size is reduced to 12%, first 50%, then at birth we have 30% and it reduced to 12%. That's it. B. The lower limbs are rudimentary around the second month of the intrauterine life. As we can see in the second month, the limbs are rudimentary. Okay. Then they later grow and represent almost 50% of the body length at adulthood. So later, the limbs are in the adulthood, you can see it is about 50% of the body length. Okay. Now, third, this increased gradient of the growth is evident even within the head and face. So, this increase we can see not only in the whole length but only in the head. That is, at birth, the cranium is proportionally larger than the face. We can see this cranium is proportionally larger than the face. Postnatally, the face grows more than the cranium. Here we can see the cranium is slowly decreasing and the facial growth is more. Is there any difficulty? Of course not. So, this is our reference and thank you and all the best to the future doctors. Bye.